ऑल राइट। सो नमस्ते शिखा जी, आपका हमारे शो पे आने के लिए बेहद दिल से शुक्रिया। इस शो का नाम है सुरक्षित ऑफिस वापसी। दिल से स्वागत करते हैं हम आपका बेहद कीमती वक्त के लिए।
Thank you so much for having me here. It's an absolute pleasure and honor to be talking to the Diksha Deo. Yeah.
नहीं 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 शिखा जी, ज्यादा हो गया। आई एम जस्ट स्टार्टेड। थैंक यू।
And you're absolutely doing so wonderfully well. We shared that a couple of days back. You've started a journey, you've started it so well, and I'm sure thousands and millions of people will join you to make you successful to the limit, to the extent you want to be. And we are with you.
Thank you, Shikha. I'm with you. You're with me. As long as your blessings are with me, I know I am successful. चलिए, awesome, Shikha. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। आपकी क्या राय होगी अभी की जो स्थिति है? Like you said, a lot of people are working from home. So when we talk about post-vaccination, what we say, second wave, तो अभी का organization में क्या स्थिति है? वो हमें थोड़ा जानकारी दीजिए. Over to you, Shikha.
Abhi, actually, every organization is doing a very hybrid model. कुछ लोग घर से काम कर रहे हैं versus the others are at office. For IT, I think work from home is working brilliantly well. Yes, there are some challenges. Okay, rain, water, electricity cuts, power cuts, technology sometimes, is not favoring. But then I think work from home for IT has worked beautifully well. And that is the situation across IT. The business is growing, right? Clients are growing, revenue is growing, and everybody seems to be giving their 100%, or maybe more than 100%, like we were sharing in the past, right? People are available all the time. So this is the situation. And a lot of organizations have also explored to the fact that, let's start with a 10% headcount or a 20% headcount. So that model is also there in some places where you have a hybrid way of working, which has just started 15 days back or a month back. So that's also the scenario. Everybody is calling the shots after taking a good, assessment of the current situation. Ki kya hai? What should you do? What should you not do? Yeah. So that's how I would sum it up.
Superb, Shikha, superb. You submitted beautifully. Like आपने काफी अच्छे तरीके से conclude किया कि अभी के scenario क्या है and why people, how they work from home. Despite of the challenges, like you mentioned, electricity cuts है, पानी का प्रॉब्लम है, कुछ ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है। मशीन्स आर मशीन्स, राइट? सो जब ह्यूमन थक जाते हैं तो मशीन्स भी थक जाते हैं, बेचारे रोज रोज काम करके थक जाते हैं। सो ग्रेट ग्रेट शिखा। चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। तो आपके नजरिए में पॉलिसी और प्रोसीजर्स क्या होने चाहिए व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लेवल, बोथ इन हाइब्रिड एंड बोथ व्हेन पीपल वांट टू कम बैक टू ऑफिस? तो उस हिसाब से क्या पॉलिसी और क्या प्रोसीजर्स एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को अपनाना चाहिए? ओवर टू यू शिखा।
Sure. Let me add a little more to the previous question. अगर आप challenges की बात कर रहे हैं, right? There are two different kinds of challenges. One at my end as an individual, right? Say for an employee, forget individual, right? We don't have such lavish homes, right? With kids, with spouses, everybody working from home, everybody needs a home office. और इतने बड़े बड़े घर नहीं है कि 5 bedroom का घर है, 6 bedrooms ka ghar, and everybody needs their own setup. So that's another challenge, right? Real estate, you need that space for yourself. Ergonomics, long sitting hours, a proper office chair, a proper office desk, those are also very important to build that environment. Proper air, sunlight, proper setup ki wo office wali feeling aati hai, right? You're in those meetings, you dress up and you have your home office, you're joining these calls. And from an organization perspective, okay, the employees are working from, how do you monitor? How do you track? How do you get the same output that probably you were getting before? Or maybe how do you get even more? Because the person is available 24/7, right? Collaboration time, huddle meeting time, all that has just become Zoom or Teams. वो personal connect, the human bonding, that's gone. We as HR folks, yeah, Diksha, sorry, we've been doing employee engagements online. Kitna technical lagta hai, saying happy birthday, you're cutting a cake and you're doing all that, or you're doing a reward ceremony online, or you're onboarding employees online, right? It's so different versus an office scenario. So all those are the challenges. Now you asking me what should be the policies. I think, in my view, it will be a hybrid model going forward because it has been so successful. Last 15, 16 months, everybody has seen the ROI, right? Without investing much on real estate, without these large offices that you have to acquire, buy, occupy. You have a certain percentage of employees working from home. I think if we are to come back, few things are very important. One, I think everything has to be contactless, right? You cannot have, the biometric system, still fingerprint reading is going on, or your visitors are signing attendance registers, or your employees are still jamming up in the cafeteria and having group lunches. All that has to go off, right? Double sanitization, washrooms, for example. And I'm giving a very little chota cheese जिसका हमें actually ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. After every use, right, the washrooms areas are cleaned, water dispensers, you cannot typically go crowd over there, right? So there has to be a way where the water bottles are kind of given to the employees at their desk, right? So very little things you have to minutely take care and make everything contactless. Say, for example, even the seating arrangement, XOXO, right? Every one seat or every two seats should be empty, right? So all that has to come in place before we even think of getting back to work. It's a lot of mental work, plus then you have to put it into practice. Say, for example, also temperature check when somebody is just entering the building, right? So little things, all of this will have to be fixed. And I've been, since we are planning to resume work, probably 1st October looks like, or maybe 1st January, we've started thinking in that direction. कि क्या changes करने हैं so that employees feel safe, they feel secure, right? And they are willing to come back to work. Not like, अरे नहीं, हमें नहीं आना, we are good at home. Don't want that kind of a scenario.
Well said, Shikha. जब आपने XO की बात की तो मेरे दिमाग में था, हम बचपन में खेलते थे ना, वो ग्रिड बना के खेलते थे एक्सो और कौन जीता. सो एक्चुअली वी आर डूइंग ऑन सीट्स एज वेल. सीट्स में हमें लगाना पड़ रहा है. हमें कभी नहीं पता था हम सीट्स में ये चीज खेलने वाले हैं. यहाँ बैठना या नहीं बैठना, तू जीता तू हारा, राइट? सो वंडरफुल सेड. एंड आई थिंक सेकंड पॉइंट दैट यू मेंशन व्हिच वाज वेरी करेक्ट वाज, हम लोग बोलते थे ना, शिखा चल यार हल्दीराम चलते, मैगडी चलते, कुछ खा के आते हैं. अभी तो बिल्कुल भी वो कोलैबोरेशन, वी आर मिसिंग दैट. वी आर मिसिंग द कोलैबोरेशन. जूम पे होता है, ठीक है, करना जरूरी है, बट आई थिंक 100 years तो हम जूम पे नहीं कर सकते. एंड दैट्स अ रियलिटी. वी नीड टू कम बैक व्हेनेवर थिंग्स आर फाइन. वी विल नीड टू कम बैक, चाहे वो 10% हो, 20% हो, पर जो कनेक्ट हम लोग मिस कर रहे हैं ना, लाइक शिखा, फेस टू फेस अगर आप होते तो वी हैव अ डिफरेंट ऑरा, डिफरेंट व्यू ऑल टुगेदर, राइट?
हल्दीराम खाते, दीक्षा क्या याद दिला दिया है बॉस. आई मीन, that's something you miss, and that's, what do you call it, chota gupshup over a cup of chai in the cafeteria. It was so easy to bond, to connect with the employees. आधे सारे resignations तो वहीं रुक जाते हैं because that person is free to talk to you in that kind of a setup. आप relaxed हो, वो बोलेगा मुझे 4 problems हैं. Today everything has become phone call or Zoom. So a lot of that gupshup, help employee bonding, HR folks connecting and vice versa. All that is now become very machine stuff. Yeah.
Yes, Shikha, I resonate with your point. अभी हम लोग एकदम मशीन बन गए. हेलो, ट्रिंग आया, हेलो, बात हो गई, थैंक यू, बाय, रख दिया फोन, कुछ नहीं होता. लाइक आप कैसे खेलोगे? आप अगर, हम लोग जब फ्राइडे फन डे करते थे तो हम लोग खेलते थे फिजिकली आउटसाइड. वी गो आउटसाइड, वी प्ले फुटबॉल, वी प्ले फ्यूज बॉल, दिस दैट, लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर देयर टू प्ले. बट राइट नाउ, हेलो, कैन वी प्ले लूडो, ऑनलाइन लूडो, पबजी खेलते हैं. PUBG and all is going on. I don't know why people. So इसी के थ्रू थोड़ा मैं आपको ले जाना चाहूंगी शिखा कि हम अपना स्क्रीन टाइम कैसे कम करें. Though we are socially people, but right now social बिल्कुल डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया है. तो आज के टाइम में हम गेम भी खेलेंगे, हम इंस्टाग्राम भी देखेंगे, हम यूट्यूब भी देखेंगे, अपने फेवरेट सीरियल्स भी देखेंगे. तो हम अपने स्क्रीन टाइम को रिड्यूस कैसे करके अपने हेल्थ को आगे लाएं. ओवर टू यू शिखा.
But I think two things that we can do, or maybe just two pointers from my side. One is people who are actually working, right? Have long working hours. उनको Insta, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook थोड़ा सा कम करना चाहिए because you've already burnt all your eyes and energy answering your office emails, doing your team calls and all that, right? Maybe try and balance that out. Maybe just do that over the weekends if it helps, right? But with the younger generation, teenagers, kids, jinka pura school has become online, you just cannot stop them, and you cannot let them go out also to play games. Ki jao niche jaake football khel lo and do all that stuff. So I think reading has become very rare these days, right? Or some sort of exercising, some sort of mind games. Correct? जैसे हम खेलते थे ना those days, अपना अंताक्षरी and Chinese whisper and all, which used to be so much fun. The human chain, hands connect karke, something. So I think those things is what we should bring back. Jo 15 saal pehle we used to do when we were little, we were growing up, right? Maybe that we should bring back. And these days, joint family setup to hai nahi, Diksha. Everybody is just mom, dad, children. That's it. At best, you have in-laws staying. So it's just a family of 4, 5, 6. Maybe parents getting involved with the children, participating in those, little games that we used to play should help. For everybody who is in corporate, you have to balance it out, guys. I mean, there is no other way. Monday to Friday, office karna hi karna hai. You don't have a choice. So your social media should be more active on weekends because your office work then goes down. Yeah, and I'm still finding answers for myself. How do I do it? Yeah.
That's a nice way to summarize, Shikha. I think हम काफी कुछ करते हैं, but फिर भी काफी चीजें होती है जो हमें करनी बाकी है, आंसर्स ढूंढना बाकी है. But आपने काफी अच्छे उम्दा तरीके से बताया कि we need to self analyze. कितना समय 9 to 5 तो करना ही है, अपने को काम तो करना ही है, बट उसके अलावा भी आंखों को जलन से बचाने के लिए प्लीज शट ऑफ योर फोन्स एंड शट द डिवाइसेस अप. प्ले विथ योर फिजिकल ग्रेट सोल्स who are your dada dadi, nana nani, your people around. I think उनके साथ टाइम स्पेंड करें और स्क्रीन में टाइम कम लगाए. तो आई थिंक शिखा जी का ये पॉइंट बहुत बिंदास है, बिल्कुल एप्ट है. प्लीज दर्शकों प्लीज फॉलो करें और rejuvenate kare apne aap ko and you feel better. Wonderful, Shikha.
And work from home mein, Diksha, it's not 9 to 5, right? Working hours have become stretched. Everybody is doing those 10, 12, 13 hours, right? It's long working hours. तो उतना stress mentally आपके eyes को, आपके brain को, आपकी body को, and that's why a lot of people have developed backache problems because of long sitting hours and all that. तो उसके बाद अगर आपको, if you have to do social media, you are actually killing yourself. You're pushing it too far, right? Before you develop some lifestyle disease जो permanent हो जाती है, right? उसका cure नहीं होता है. आपको पूरा life दवाई खा के you have to live, right? So before you enter into that zone where you develop some lifestyle disease because of excessive screen time, long sitting hours and all that, play these games, mingle with your own family. आंखें फोन से उठा के तो देखो, दुनिया बहुत खूबसूरत है, right? That's how I would sum it up.
Right, Shikha. I think काफी memes बनाए जा रहे हैं where a girl or a boy is going with the phone and फिर उनका सिर टकरा जाता है, वो पानी में गिर जाते हैं. So आपने बिल्कुल उम्दा बोला, फोन, नजर को फोन से उठा के तो देखो, दुनिया बहुत खूबसूरत है. Wonderful, great, Shikha. So moving to the last question of the series of the episode is, what is the इंस्पिरेशनल लाइन और मोटिवेशनल लाइन? वैसे आपने काफी उम्दा बातें की, पर हम जानना चाहेंगे वो एक लाइन या 2 लाइनों में कि आप कैसे हमारे ऑडियंस को मोटिवेट करेंगे ताकि वो पहले तो अपने वेलनेस पे ध्यान दे, दूसरा उनके पास क्षमता हो अपने कर्म फल को अच्छे से करने का, चाहे कर्म भूमि आपका ऑफिस हो या घर हो, पर काम अच्छे से हो और प्रोडक्टिविटी ना नुकसान करके अपने हेल्थ पे भी उतना फोकस करे। तो कुछ ऐसे मोटिवेशनल वर्ड्स अगर आप हमारे ऑडियंस के लिए बोलेंगे तो दैट कुड बी अ बिंगो अवार्ड फॉर देम। ओवर टू यू शिखा।
According to me, yeah, balance is the key word, right? Whether आपका घर का काम ज्यादा है या ऑफिस का काम ज्यादा, you have to balance between both the worlds. And while doing this balancing act, you have to take care of your loved ones. There is only so much to life, right? COVID has caused so many deaths. I have seen people losing their loved ones. हमारा क्या होता है, सारा टाइम ऑफिस में उस रैट रेस में खत्म हो जाता है. Look beyond. There are people around you who need your time, love, care, and attention. There is your own self, your own body, right? जहाँ पे आपका soul रहता है. That needs your own love, care, attention, some physical activity, something that you need to do, right? And the third thing is people around you, beyond your family, society, neighborhood, the larger circle of influence or your network. There are a lot of people who need help. And I'm associated with 2-3 such organizations where we help job seekers find a job. So many people have lost livelihoods. So the purpose of human life is not to पैदा होना, पढ़ना, नौकरी करना और मर जाना. Simple. The purpose of human life is to do much more. Do something for somebody else, for society, for needy, for people in your own family. It's a great feeling of self-satisfaction and gratitude for the country. Hamara Bharat Mahan, something for our own country. Be Indian, buy Indian, live Indian, die Indian. Right? Something. Life is much beyond degrees, accolades, achievements. ये सब है, क्या है वो, क्या बोलते हैं, आई एम नॉट गेटिंग द राइट हिंदी, सब मिट्टी में मिल जाता है एक दिन. Finally, all of us have to go to the grave. How beautifully we enjoy this journey called life. And on the way you keep helping people, inspiring people. I think that is what is important. Ultimately, तो मिट्टी में मिलना ही है ना सबको. That's it. I mean, that's how I would, and that's what I do, yeah. So it's just me.
I think आपने काफी one of the best message, I think आपने बहुत सुंदर से summarize किया कि मिट्टी में मिलना है, खाक में हमें मिलना है, but खाक पे जब आपका नाम लिखा जाएगा ना तो नाम का कुछ महत्व होना चाहिए. नाम बना के जाओ, वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. मतलब सबके मन में वो नाम बना के जाओ कि दीक्षा या शिखा जी ने उनके लिए कुछ किया. दैट्स इम्पोर्टेंट. एंड वो चीज आप पैसों से नहीं खरीद सकते. बहुत उम्दा मैसेज दिया शिखा आपने, बहुत उम्दा.
I remembered something, Diksha. I don't know who has said it, but it says like, you will always be remembered after you leave, or you will become a memory after you leave this world. Be a good one.
I got goosebumps. Superb, Shikha. I love it. We're going to meet face to face as well because I'm a die-hard face to face person. I love to meet my souls. I love to meet my people. That's what I do. And the mission, like you said, भारत के लिए ही करना है. मेरा मिशन वही है, भारत के लिए करना है, जान लगानी है, जीना है, मरना है तो भारत के लिए. आपने उम्दा तरीके से बताया. थैंक यू सो मच शिखा, आपका शो पे आने के लिए बेहद दिल से बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. जय हिंद.
So much, Diksha, for having me here. Right, it was a pleasure. And keep doing what you're doing. Keep touching lives. Keep making difference to this world, to the people around you. God bless you.
Thank you, Shikha. Sure, I will do it. Your blessings means a world to me. Thank you so much for this.
Thank you.